front of me is Oppo A95 and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock. Begin by going into settings and scrolling down to access password and security. Then click on face at the top right corner and enter your current login method. Following that, select continue at the bottom. Keep your face in frame and follow all of the instructions from your screen. Now you can manage all of those options however you want to. When you finished, go back. So finally, when I switch off my screen, then turn it back on, I can see that face unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!